So we got this stain pad from Makers, and it's for fine wood finishing, and like it's better than like a foam brush or a bristle brush or even like a terry cloth towel or a shop towel or something. They sent this to us so we could show it to you. But it's actually a loop-free microfiber, and basically you just open up the bottom here like this, and then you take it out and you cut it to size with scissors. And then if you have a cut edge, you can kind of singe the cut edge, but you can see it's foam and it's covered in a microfiber fabric. But see, you got the foam interior and then the microfiber fabric on the outside, and you can just cut it to whatever size you need to. And there you go. You got your wood project going there and stuff. And so really you got less drips with this and less waste, and you can use it with the oil-based finishes. So that's really cool too. So like I said, it's a really nice, you can cut it to whatever size you want to, and it's a really nice applicator for your stain so that you're not going to have the same kind of mess or streaks or things like you do when you use a bristle brush or a foam brush or something like that. So really cool. Great idea. Thanks for sending that to us.